guys, and welcome to my Reading Rush vlogs. I always want to say booktubeathon because I don't adapt to change that well. Today's day one. It's the 22nd of July, the first day of the Reading Rush, and it's about 3 in the afternoon now because I had work today. But I will start reading now, and I'm quite happy because I have the whole evening for reading. I think I'll go and take a bath later on, but for now I'm not quite sure what I want to start first, to be honest. I have my TBR piled back there. I haven't shown you my TBR because it's not that set, but I do have a couple of books that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna read, and then I have a couple that I have options, so I'm not quite sure how to do this, whether I will, read the ones that are set first and then look at the ones where I have options. I do have a couple of books that have to go back to the library. I also have a couple of books that might cross over into the medieval-thon, which I'm doing through the whole of July. So yeah, I'm not quite sure about that yet. So I think the first task now is to choose my first book. I also have this big one down here, which is my book for 5 words or more in the title, and I will read a little bit of that every day. So I have to read about 26 pages of this every day to get it done during this week. I'm really excited about that one because that one is a Lord of the Rings book, and I'm a huge Lord of the Rings fan. So yeah, I think what I will do now is choose my first book and then set up my Excel file that I will use for the week to track my reading, so I know what to put into the website that the Reading Rush does. So yeah, let's get started with this one. Okay, so these are the books that I will definitely read this week. So I have two challenges where I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna read yet, but yeah, as I said, these are the ones I'm sure I will read, so I think I'll first choose from these. And this is my setup right now, so I have, the challenges right here, the days right there, and the books right there. So you can see the challenges I've not decided on yet are a movie adaptation and a book that was on my TBR last year, and all the other ones I am set on. So yeah. I think what I will do first now is I will start with this book, and I want to make a little bit of progress in there every single day because I want to, enjoy it a lot. So I would think I'll start with this one and read the first couple of pages in that. So I've read the first 30 pages in this book, which is going to be my portion for today. I also updated my little list here, so you can see what that would look like. And now I think the book I will start first is One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. I think this will be my first project because it's from the library and I have to get it back soon. Also, this is my book for the debut novel because I think this is the first book that Ken Kesey, however it's called, wrote. So yeah, this is gonna be the book that I start. Okay, we're here at my bathtub now because I want to do the first, or I want to finish the first challenge, which is to read a book in one place. So I will take a bath now and read this little Goosebumps book because usually those books are exactly the amount of time that I would spend in the bathtub, which is perfect. So I hope I can finish that challenge today because it's the easiest one, obviously. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Hey guys, I'm just out of the bathtub looking like a hot mess, but I just finished my first book, which is The Night of the Living Dummy, which is one of these Goosebumps books. I try to reread these in order because I loved those when I was a child. This is the 8th German version, I think. They have a different publication order in English, but yeah. I would give this like a 3-star. I think this is one of my least favorite books of this series. I really don't like puppets and stuff like that. So yeah, this is basically about a set of twins, and one of those finds a puppet, a dummy, in the trash can, and she decides to keep it and to learn how to play with it. And yeah, so the other twin is jealous and kind of goes from there and gets a little bit creepy, but yeah, this one is just annoying to me, basically. So yeah, as I said, I would give this like a 3.5 or 3-star, and I think this is one of the weaker ones in this series. But this was my book for the chance to read it all in one place because I read this completely in the bathtub just now, and yeah. I think for the rest of the night I will focus on One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. The first chapter was quite difficult to read, so I will try to get into this. I am hopeful that it will work out, but we will see. I would love to finish this tomorrow, so I can do like one book a day maybe. We'll see how that works.
Basically today I'm just going to be working on my lunch break. I'm not going to...
So I'm finishing off the first day with 224 pages read and 36 minutes of my audiobook. And I've got a little bit of a way into this book so far, but there's still plenty to read for tomorrow.
The man in the black mask who tried to steal her sapphire and cut her throat.
Okay, so it's day 2. I just disappeared in the Twitter realm for a while, but now I got myself some breakfast, and I'm gonna start my day by watching some booktubeathon vlogs. No, reading rush vlogs. I'm so sorry. This is gonna happen like a million times in this video. Okay, so I do have to work today, but before I get to that, I think I want to read my 30 pages of the Lord of the Rings sketchbook. Right now I made it to the weather top. So yeah, I'm gonna continue with that for now. I think this book is so beautiful. And yeah, get it out of the way for today. So I finished my 30 pages for today, and now I have to do a little bit of work, but I will keep it to the minimum because today I really want to focus on the readathon. So my work part is done. My plan for now is to read 1 hour of this book. I think I'll need about 5 hours to finish this approximately. So yeah, I want to read 1 hour now, and then I either do my yoga or I will go grocery shopping, which is both things I want to do some point today. So we'll see. But for now, let's get to it. Okay, so it's noon now, and I made it 50 pages more into this book. It's quite dense. It takes me a lot longer than I thought it would. But for now, I think I'll go grocery shopping and then make some lunch. And after that, continue reading this and read hopefully another 50 pages going into the afternoon. I get myself a little bit for lunch now, and I'm going to continue watching some Reading Rush videos.
This challenge will be playing Two Truths and a Big Little Lie. Gemma?
Her new favorite spot. So I finished eating, and let's get reading. So I've read the next 50 pages of this book, and I'm more than halfway through now. This is interesting to say the least. I still don't know what I think about it. I think this is a book that I will have to think about a little bit after finishing it. But yeah, it's definitely interesting, but I don't really know where it's going. It's very unpredictable and yeah, very unique, definitely. So I think what I'll do next is some yoga, and then I'm gonna keep reading this book and hopefully finish it tonight. I just did my yoga and I got really hot, so I'm gonna treat myself to some ice cream. I love this stuff. I know it's gross. I don't know. So yeah, it's 4 in the afternoon now, and I will continue reading.
Someone's getting snacky, huh? Is someone getting snacky down there?
So I have exactly 100 pages left of this, and I am determined. It is now almost 6, so soon the cat will need some feeding, and then I'll probably make some dinner myself, but I will finish this book tonight. I hope.
It's 1:45. I just finished my second book for the challenge of a debut novel, and I've read 280 pages today, and I've listened to 96 minutes of my audiobook as well. So I'm super tired, but this was a success, and yeah, tomorrow I have a lot of work to do, so I'll probably not be that great, but we'll see. Hey guys, so it's day 3 of Booktubeathon, and I'm gonna start this book next, and the English title is Murder, She Meowed. I think this is the next book I have to read in the series. I got confused a little bit and read a book that is farther on in the series last, so yeah, I hope this is the next one that I really have to read, but I'm gonna bring this to work because today I do have to work a little bit, but I don't really have anything to do. I just have a lot of responsibility. So I hope that I will get some reading done with this. I also have a meeting with my boss to talk about what else I'm gonna do this week work-wise, so this will, you know, decide how much time I can spend on reading because yeah, she's my boss, obviously. So yeah, I don't know how the day will go. It's all a little bit of a surprise, but I hope that I can make a good dent in this. I don't think that I can finish this today because this is around 300 pages, 300 and some odd pages. So yeah. Also, I just woke up and the badges were gone from the website. I got a little bit confused, but there was one girl who told me on Twitter that they took them down because the website wasn't working. So yeah. Let's start day.
So maybe this week won't be quite as gruesome as I was expecting, but day 1 Did you guys see?
Hey there guys, I'm home from work. It's Wednesday, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm positively hot. It's very hot here right now. Luckily my flat doesn't get so hot, but being on the bike was pretty tough. So yeah, I haven't done any reading so far because the day was quite stressful and I do feel a little bit tired right now. But yeah, I think I'll get the Lord of the Rings stuff read first, and then I'll start on the cat book. That is for reading a book with a non-human character. Are you my weirdo cat? What's your foot doing? Are you okay there? Are you okay there, my love? Hey there guys, so today was quite a disappointment. I managed to read my 30 pages in the Lord of the Rings sketchbook, but I haven't really read anything in my new book so far, and I wanted to get to 100 pages today, so that didn't happen because I just feel so very tired. So I will try to at least read 50 pages today, but yeah, I probably won't be able to do anything more, so I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is Thursday now. It is almost 9 in the morning. I just got rid of my partner. He has to go to work basically. And so today I have to catch up because yesterday reading was horrible. I did read my 30 pages in the Lord of the Rings sketchbook, and I read 21 pages in my next book that I want to finish today. So I have about 300 pages of that left for today, which is quite ambitious, but I do want to win this, so I will push through somehow. So what I'm gonna do now is I will first read my 30 pages in the sketchbook and then read 50 pages of my new book right here, and then I'll have to do some work and we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna catch up with you later. Well, that's kind of funny at least. So I just finished my first reading goal, which means that I've read 80 pages so far today. It is almost 11 now, and I think I will do some work now. I don't really have a ton to do so far, but there might be more later, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just gonna start working a little bit now, and then I think I'll probably grab some lunch and then read some more.
Melanie's vlog, because I can't record earlier tonight because I'm tired. Let's start the wake up this morning. Back with the go, get on the bus, go to work. Shit.
And I can taste coffee on your lips.
Hey guys, so it is 1:30 in the afternoon now, and I'm about halfway through this murder mystery now. I don't know why, but I feel like the dialogue in this book is really off, and I don't know if I just don't remember it from the books that came before this, because this is the 5th in this series, I think. But yeah, it just strikes me a little bit odd, the dialogue in this one. But yeah, we're having 2 murders now, and we're looking for the murderer, so should be fun. I will continue in a minute. I think for now, I will go out and go grocery shopping, decide what to eat tonight, and then I can continue this. So it's 3:30 now. I spent some quality time with the cat and almost fell asleep. It's so hard that all I can do is sleep. Like, I don't need a readathon, I need a sleepathon. But no matter what, yeah, then I did clean my apartment a little bit, and now I will get to the next section of my book. So it is 4:30 now, and I have exactly 100 pages left of my book, and right now they're getting closer to solving the murder cases, but I'm pretty sure that there will be another murder before they really find out what's happening. But I think for now I'm gonna do some yoga. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do today, but I should do some. So that's the plan, and then I can keep on. Hey guys, sorry for the horrible lighting, but I had to switch on the light. But I just finished Murder, She Me Out by Rita Mae Brown. This is my book for the non-human characters, so I finished that challenge as well now. And I am going to end this vlog here, so there will be part 2 that I will upload when the readathon is over, but yeah, I wanted to cut the week into 2 parts, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like or a nice comment, I always appreciate those, and if you subscribe, you will see part 2 of this vlog very soon. So yeah, hope you have a great time with the reading rush, and until next time, bye! And these are the stats now. So I'm almost at 1000 pages, and today I definitely read the most.